The same chip, the same form factor, and the biggest camera bump ever created by man. Introducing iPhone 13 Pro. Buy it, or... New wide and ultra-wide cameras lets you capture blurry messes in even lower light. The new telephoto camera has 3 times optical zoom for even shakier videos. Discover exotic plants with the ultra-wide camera. And ruin your battery life faster on the go with 5G. The same durability as last year means iPhone 13 Pro is ready for nothing but to break. iPhone 13 Pro offers filmmaking capabilities not needed by anyone who aren't deemed professionals. Now you can capture, edit, and deliver in ProRes, the format with an incredibly inefficient codec. And introducing cinematic mode, which brings out of focus backgrounds to iPhone. For the first time, you'll lose your manual control in shifting focus while you shoot, and even afterwards. And all in Dolby Vision. The Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion uses an adaptive refresh rate. Jokes aside, this is an absolutely great feature. Power is not defined with A15 Bionic. It has negligible performance compared to last year, and a huge leap in dread when you spend over $1,000 on it. Not powerful, nor intelligent, and a world of limited possibilities. iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching, but before you go, please know that this video was made for laughs only, and I have nothing against this phone. In fact, I have a whole video detailing why most people are wrong about it, and it's a bigger upgrade than most people would think. If you're interested, click on the video on the screen. Otherwise, feel free to like the video and just click off. Have a great day. Take care. But click the video though, it's pretty good. Why are you still here? Alright, bye. Just really fast. Click it. It's right here. Alright? It's fast. I spent a lot of time on it.